Rise and shine, ladies and dusty men. Welcome back to my channel. It's Friday the 13th, but it's also moving day. I'm moving out of my studio apartment, my first apartment in LA. This is really crazy. I don't think it's sunk in yet that I've almost been here almost a year. Next week will be my year anniversary. I think I said this in my last video, so I'm gonna save the spiel. But anyway, I'm pretty much all packed up. I'm just gonna show y'all a quick walkthrough of what I did. Shout out to Lee, my girl Lee. She came through last night too and also packed up, and then she's coming back today, and my friend D is coming as well, so they're gonna help me move. Very thankful for them. So anyway, I'm gonna give y'all a quick walkthrough of what I did. As you can see in the back, that's the kitchen. Everything is pretty much in, let me tell you, I tried to be a little classy and got some boxes, but then I was told I got to sprinkle a ghetto with me because I'm using these laundry baskets too. I don't care. Everything coming in handy. And let me tell you what else. All these tote bags I collected over the years, I would complain about like getting rid of them, but babe, they came in real handy. That's me. Hey. And then the couch I just left as is because the movers will get here, they'll know what to do with it. Table, same thing. TV, they said they'll unmount it for me, so cool. I ain't trying to break my back doing that. And yes, I use my suitcases. So there we have that. There's me. I'm looking kind of thick today. Okay. Also left my mattress and everything because again, that's what they can come and do. And then I did take the dressers out to at least make that a little bit easier. Same thing here. And then again, left everything on hangers and my shoes in boxes because they said that they got some type of setup that they can just take them off the hanger and put them right into the truck or something. I don't know. That's what they said. We'll see when they get here. So that's what I'm on right now. It's like, what time is it? Let me see. It's 8:21. So this is my time frame for the day. I'm going to pick up my keys and do my walkthrough for the new place at 10 a.m. sharp. I'm going to leave my place at 9 because I also have to drop my keys off to Lee because she's going to come here and wait for the movers just in case I don't make it back in time. She's going to let them in, pack everything up. Then we're all going to go to the new place, do all that. So moving is going to happen between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. No, I'm lying. What'd I just say? Key pick up at 10, 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. is moving time. And then I gotta be there at the new place because the internet provider is coming to set it up at 3. I think that's all I got. In the meantime, I'm finna go get coffee because I'm finna start tweaking. I packed up my Nespresso machine last night, so y'all need me a cup of Joe. I'm gonna be an angry hoe. Never that. If anything, I'm gonna be a paid hoe. Just kidding. I'm done playing. It's too early to be playing. Actually, it's never too early to be playing. What am I saying? Damn, I look pale. Ugh, look at my pimple, y'all. My skin has not been my best friend because your girl has been stressed. The stress the last couple weeks, but God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. And you know, everything works out as it should, as he plans, not our plans, his plans. So I'm chilling for real, but I do need to do some little spot treatment on some of these because I did pick them, and that's why I got the dark spots. Boom. Other than that, I'm a little glazed donut. I'm gonna be back right, and I'm gonna need a tan, and I'm done with this rant. Let me move on. Let me lock my doors because the crazies is out. All right, so I got my coffee. I met up with Lee because she was right up the street from where I was getting my coffee from. So I gave her my keys, my garage opener or gate, whatever. Y'all, this shit right here is blowing me. It looked like somebody went bolt right outside my head. Anyway, I got my coffee. Cheers. Good morning. Yes, crack. Love it. Met with Lee, gave her my keys. So now I'm outside my new place right now. It's 9:51. I got like 9 minutes exactly because I'm gonna be here 10 on the dot. I told him. Go in there and then we'll do a walkthrough. I just been in my car. On the way here, I was just reflecting. I'm like, dang, y'all, God is really good. He is really, really good. I'm so excited to be in this new space, but I'm also just like thankful and the gratitude of me really surviving in my last space, and just thinking about all the moments I had, mostly by myself, like the good, the bad, the ugly. Waking up in there, I'm gonna miss the views of my palm trees. I really am gonna miss those 4 little ones right there. It's like God knew I needed those right there just for me. And every day I just wake up, look at them like, wow, I really live here. I really live in LA. Now my view, I ain't got no palm trees, but I have floor to ceiling windows, and I do like that. So they got natural light. The space is bigger, it's different. It's a different kind of layout. So whatever, y'all see it when I walk through it. But yeah, right now I'm chilling. I'm gonna finish my chat with God, finish my praise and worship I was listening to. Yeah, I'll check back in with y'all in a minute. All right, so I just got my key. And we're headed upstairs to view the unit. Oh, here we go. All right, let's go, y'all. Checked in, did all my paperwork. The people in the leasing office are so nice. Like them already. Headed up to my floor, so I'll meet y'all in the unit. Oh God, this don't even work. Strike one, my key fob didn't work, so we're going back downstairs to get it fixed. Okay, I got my fob fixed. Let's see if it works. Oh, got it, and I done dropped the damn key. Okay. We are home, sweet home. We're home. We're in our new spot. This is so crazy. Oh my God. This is my spot. Okay, I gotta have a moment. I gotta talk to God. I gotta. Whew. All right, y'all. Empty apartment tour, walkthrough of my second place in LA. And I'm doing this before the movers and everything get here because otherwise it would be empty. So behind me, right here, is the front door. And then as soon as you walk in, you walk to this closet, refrigerator, kitchen, another studio, a lot of open space. And then right here to the left is my bathroom. So I'm gonna just walk in here. Boom, in me. Oh, and that beeping y'all hear is the fire alarm or whatever the hell it is. I gotta figure out how to make it stop. In unit laundry again, washer and dryer. Kitchen, blah, blah, blah. I love these floor to ceiling windows. Oh my God, love them so much. I'm not sure what side I'm gonna put my bed on, but we'll figure that out later. Let me pan this way. Look at this light. I'm backing all the way up here. And then this is all the other space. Yeah, don't worry, we're going into the closet. There you go. This is the best part. Like, hello, oh my God. All this space for all the new clothes that I'm about to get. Maybe I'll put a makeup desk in here too. Maybe I'll put the desk actually out here, but yeah, y'all. Real short, to the point. Hold up, I'm getting a call. Okay, that was the movers. They're on their way to my place now, so I'm about to get out of here. Oh, I can't believe I actually still have a view, y'all. I'm not gonna show it to y'all right now because then that would be kind of like telling y'all where I live, but just know I still got 3 palm trees. I still see the mountains, I still see the hills. Okay, before I cry. And I gotta use the bathroom, and I ain't got no damn toilet paper up here. I gotta go that coffee kicking in. Back at the apartment, we got Lee, we got D, 333 in the building. The movers are here, getting everything in order. And, oh, there I go again. We're making progress. We ain't even did that for real, y'all. We chilling, looking cute, hungry.
Yeah, my girl got to move first, but you know, I'm here for
support, emotional support.
support.
These are my support people, my support persons.
That's all we do, support.
The apartment is empty, y'all. We are all done. Everything is gone. It is the end of this chapter. So, yeah, y'all, I'm out. Everything's done. This chapter is now closed. Let's go. We're done. I'm gonna unpack. I'm tired. I'm fucking beat. That's the end of this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back soon. Bye.